Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the chapter 2 of the class 10 NCERT math book, which is all about the polynomials. This crash course will cover all the essential points you need to know. So let's get started. So what is the polynomial equation? Polynomial equation is the one which has some variable and its power is greater than 1. So for this equation 4x minus 1, where the variable is x and its power is 1. Over here the variable is x and its power is 2. The power is generally called a degree, right? So over here degree is 1, over here is degree 2, and over here you can see that variable is u and its degree is 6 because highest power is 6. Now some of the example that power is less than 1, so we cannot consider it as a polynomial equation. Example of such are 1 upon x minus 1, under root x plus 2, 1 upon x square plus 2x plus 3. These are not the polynomial equation. In general, the polynomial equation is the one which has one variable which is generally defined as x, y, u, etc. and it has power more than 1. Highest power is called the degree. Right, so if any of the equations whose highest power is 6, in this example its highest power is 6, so its degree is 6. So we are having two terms, one is the variable and another term is the degree. Now if degree is equal to 1, it is called linear equation, and if it is degree is equal to 2, it is called quadratic equation. Okay, quadratic equation. Now based on that we will deep dive that if any of the equations which is the linear one, like over here is a 2x plus 3 is a polynomial equation whose degree is 1. So we want to find that at which value of x the value of y would be 0. So what I want to say is that 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. So at which value of x the whole equations will be 0. So we can write 2x is equal to minus 3 and is equal to minus 3 by 2. So at minus 3 by 2, the value of y is 0. So at value of the y is 0, the line intersect at x-axis. So over here you can see that at minus 3 by 2, the line intersect at minus 3 by 2 at x value, right? So it is called the zero polynomial. Right, so zero polynomial is nothing but where the equation satisfied its value as a 0. Right, so in linear term, if we define in linear equation x plus b is equal to 0, then zero polynomial generally denoted as minus b by a. Now you can note that over here there is only one point where it intersects at x-axis. Right, so in linear equation for degree is equal to 1, we are having at most one point which intersect at x-axis. Okay, now if we go with the quadratic equation, what is the quadratic equation? Quadratic equations where the degree is 2. Okay, so in quadratic equation graph is look like U shape. It can be the U shape or it can be the inverse U shape based on the coefficient of x square. Over here equation is x square minus 3x minus 4. Right, so at which points line intersect at x-axis. Right, so over here we can see that at minus 1 and at 4, at these two value graph intersect at x-axis. So it is called the zero polynomial. Right, so if we solve this equation, x square minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. So we can write in this fashion x square minus 4x plus x minus 4 is equal to 0, right? So I have just expanded minus 3x as minus 4x plus x, right? These two. So it is x minus 4 plus 1, x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x minus 4 and x plus 1 is equal to 0. So either x minus 4 should be 0 or x plus 1 should be 0. So x value should be plus 4 or x value should be minus 1. So over here we are having minus 1 and 4, 2 points where the graph intersect at x-axis. Now we are having the different scenarios, right? That there are four quadratic equations where the degree is 2. We are having the 2 points which are intersecting at x-axis, right? So this part over here, this part, the scenario 2 where we are having only one point which intersect the x-axis, it is called a perfect set. What is the perfect set over here is x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Let's take an example, right? So it is nothing but x minus 1 square is equal to 0. So its solution is x is equal to 1 only, right? So only one point where the line is crossing at x-intercept, and there are chances that line doesn't cross at x-axis at all, right? So there might be a chance, right, that over here there are 0 points which are intersecting at x-axis, there are 1 point that are intersecting at x-axis, and there are 2 points which are intersecting at x-axis. So in degree 2 or quadratic equation, at most 2 points are intersecting at x-axis. Intersect at x-axis. Similar fashion, if we look for the degree 3 equation, right? Over here is a x square minus x cube minus 4x equations. We can see that there are 3 points which are intersecting at 0. So in the same fashions, we can say that if degree is equal to 1, at most 1 point intersect at x-axis. Intersect at x-axis. For degree 2, at most 2. For degree 3, at most 3. And for degree n, there are n points, right? So these are the common theme that we have discussed so far. Now, if we look the quadratic equations that we already discussed, that its degree is 2, so 3x square plus 5x minus 2. If we rewrite these equations as 3x minus 1 and x plus 2, its possible solutions should be 1 upon 3 and minus 2. So these are the two value of x where the line is getting intersected, right? So what is the sum of these two? 1 upon 3 minus 2, which is nothing but minus 5 by 3. So if we look this equation, right, so it's nothing but over here is minus 5 divided by 3. And if we write the sum of these two, 1 upon 3 minus 2, which is nothing but minus 2 by 3. So it's nothing but constant term divided by the coefficient of x square, right? So in similar fashion, if any of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c and its 0 polynomial, as degree is 2, so we might expect the 2 points for 0 polynomial. Let's say it's a alpha and beta. These are the 2 points that are intersecting at x-axis. So sum of alpha plus beta can be written as minus b by a, and its product alpha into beta can be written as c by a, right? This is the general theme for all the quadratic equation or the degree 2 equation. Similar fashion, if we look the degree 3 equation ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, we can write the sum of the 3 0 polynomial, right? As the degree is 3, so we can expect there are 3 points which intersect at the x-axis, which are alpha, beta and gamma. So sum of it can be denoted by minus b by a. Their respective product alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha can be written as c by a, and there is some alpha into beta into gamma can be written as minus d by a. Crash course on chapter 2 polynomials. I hope this video helped you understand the basic. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more educational content. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment below. Thanks for watching. In next video we will go through the crash course for chapter number 3. That's it for our